The Typewriters Curse. Imagine walking home late at night, the city's noises muffled by an eerie stillness. You see it, an old, dusty typewriter abandoned on the sidewalk. Against your better judgment, you take it home, unaware that this single act will unleash a haunting you could never escape. At first, it feels magical. Every word you type spills into the real world, petty revenge on enemies, dreams turning true. But soon your words twist without permission, creating terror instead of joy. Screams echo in your apartment, and strangers appear clutching letters you never wrote. The typewriter grows bolder, its keys clacking on their own, filling pages with horrors you'd never dare imagine. The line between your thoughts and its sinister motives begins to blur. Is it controlling your mind, or were these dark ideas yours all along? One night, as chaos engulfs your life, you see your name typed across the page. The typewriter reveals an ending so horrifying, so unexpected, that it makes you question whether you've been the monster all along. Silence falls, but your story is far from over. What would you do if your own words escaped your control? Would you keep typing? Unleash your imagination. Join this dark, twisted journey. Share your version of what happens next. Leave your ideas in the comments or write your own eerie tale. Let's see whose story sends the deepest chills.